Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about a 52-week saving challenge. Now, I did find this online. There are several different scenarios and ways you could do this. So I kind of made up my own in a way, looking at everybody else's. So basically, for the 52-week challenge, you start your first week off by only saving $1. Now this is for really anyone who just wants to start the challenge and do something fun and exciting, something different to challenge yourself for 52 weeks. Now each week you're going to increase it by $1. So on your second week it'll be 2, your third week will be 3, and so on and so forth until you get to your 52nd week, which will be $52 that you'll deposit for that week. Now this is a really fun way that you could save up a quick $1,378. Now that is an impressive number, and doing this challenge is really fun because it helps you kind of follow a guide or a chart. So you can make a really simple spreadsheet online for this, or you could even write it down on your calendar for each day of the week. Well, for each one, like say Friday, you want to do your deposits, and you could do that into like a savings account, or you could put it into an envelope and stick it under your mattress, however you want to save your money. But the point is to be able to do it in once a week in increments of $1 increase. So you're not really hurting yourself when it comes to saving money. It's a really fun little thing to do, and by the time you get to your 52nd week, you'll probably be really excited that you're able to even save that much money. And if you think about it, $52 a week would be $408 for the month. Oh, I'm sorry, that would be if it was $100. It would actually be $208 for the month, which is a really good number, and I believe that's something you can definitely get used to saving. If you're saving $200 a month and you make $2,000, that's only 10% of your income. If you're able to make $1,000, well, that's going to be 20% of your income. But that's really awesome to be able to save that much money, and it's a really fun challenge that I challenge you guys to do. I'm going to be starting this challenge for myself now on January 1st, and just put $1 on the first week of January, and then put $2 the second week of January, and then put $3 this third week in January. By the fourth week of January, you already have $10 saved up. That wasn't very hard. By the end of February, you have $36 saved. By the end of March, you have $78 saved. By the end of April, you'll have $136. By the end of May, you'll have $210. By the end of June, you'll have $300. By the end of July, you'll have $406. And by then, you're already pretty much halfway to your goal, at which point you get all the way to the end of your 52 weeks, which could be the last week in December, and you would be at $1,378. Now, that is an incredibly cool challenge to do, and you're only increasing it by $1 a week. It's really fun and exciting to do at the beginning because you think, oh, it's just $1, oh, it's just $2, oh, it's just $3. But it really adds up really, really fast. So I give you guys this challenge for the new year, 2019, and I hope you guys will do it with me. Alright guys, have a great day and enjoy your New Year's.